Now we will read the next topic, the limits of civil disobedience movements. Now we were talking about civil disobedience movement. Now what were the limits of civil disobedience movement? Because limits of the civil disobedience movements were the nations untouchables did not participate in the movement. First was the nations untouchables. Untouchables, we can say lower castes, clear, did not participate in the movement due to the Congress policy. After that, some of the Muslim political organizations in India were also not giving the response to the civil disobedience movement. Third is many Muslim leaders and we can say many leaders and educated person expressed their concern about the states of Muslims. Now they were also involving in this movement. They feared that the culture and identity of the minorities would be submerged. They were a fear. Identity of minorities, slowly we can say untouchables, and their culture also would be submerged. After that, the failure of the Cripps mission during the middle of the Second World War, Mahatma Gandhi decided to start another phase of movement, Quit India movement. Which was the movement? Quit India movement. In this, he asked the British to leave the country immediately. Clear? Finally, the British government suppressed the movement and did not go in vain. It brought the freedom very close. Clear? In this topic, what were the limits of civil disobedience? After that, in this topic, the sense of collective belonging. The sense of collective belonging. Beta, in this page, in these pages, our chapter would be complete. Beta, the sense of collective belonging. Nationalism spreads with people begin to believe that they are all part of the same nation when they discover some unity that binds them together. Sense me, there was a strong bonding which bond them together. This sense of collective belonging came partly through the experience of united struggle. What were the first is united struggle. It came second is at the same time history and fiction, songs, popular prints, symbols also played an important role in spreading nationalism. Songs, patriotic songs, history also played a important role. Third is the identity of India came to visually associated Bharat Mata. The image of Bharat Mata acquired many different forms. Clear? Bharat Mata. This is poster. Clear? After that, during the Swadeshi movement in Bengal, a tricolor flag, red, green and yellow. Which were the color? Red, green and yellow. Was designed during the Swadeshi movement. After that, it also represents 8 provinces of British India and a moon representing Hindus and Muslims. मतलब all religions were included in this. Another means of creating a feeling of nationalism was through the history. The Indian nationalists began writing the past. What they did? They started to write the past. What happened in the past? India's great achievements we can see, They wrote about the glorious developments in ancient times when art and architecture, science, mathematics, the glorious time was followed by a history and of decline when India was colonized. These nationalists urged the reader to struggle against the British to restore the glorious past. Restore the glorious past. They wanted to get the independence. Now they were evolving. See this figure of Bharat Mata is a contrast to the one painted by Abhinandranath Tagore. Here she is shown with the Trishul. Clear? Standing beside a lion and an elephant, both symbols of power and authority. These both symbols are of power and authority. This is the figure of Bharat Mata. Clear?